coronavirus now people they enter plane. You know understand those big men then. Not be Delta State here. Delta State here. We even like trek say we not even the enter plane. We not show me that even sorry for us. 2 weeks. Me not even no feeding, not nothing. Now hunger and coronavirus now they solve now like this. So me that shake our leg. We'll get voltage if at all. Sure.
Where did they happen? So they say make the days, but me I not get money. I get plenty children for inside, no money to feed them. They let me come bring engine one the grind now. And they grind now because I don't get money to feed them. I go stay at home. And then this sickness not go this way we day. May not come here. Hungry they beat us now. We need money to take shop. Because hungry they beat us now. Now as much you the grind, nobody to grind for. Everywhere dry.
The government, when the government survive us. That the money they say the country, they say the money say the country drop money, they drop money, they share, they give people. Who get people and go collect you? We not see anything. We say they collect for the state.
It's not something we can explain because the government don't have provision for the common man. There's no provision if salary has been paid with allowances, because outside there they give them money to stay at home. But these people selling tomatoes and all those stuff, how can we feed? So they have to do something for the common man. See the chairman of the market, they are beating children, beating people on the road. So we don't understand whether government said they should beat people on the market or market should be opened. We don't understand the news.
The truth of the matter is that for government to ask us to stay at home, they are trying to protect us from the diseases, isn't it? But in this case now, we are hearing that other places, they gave them money in order to stay at home, you understand, for the period of the time. But in the case of our own, nothing of such. Now you lock up every shop, lock up a workshop. Person like me, I'm a workshop owner. That is the only way I can feed. I'm not feeding from government. Likewise, the rest of them. Before you make such a thing, you should have made things available for us in order in order for we to comply with the government. As you can see now, people are moving around. Why? What is the cost? Because they don't have anything to eat at home. Look at people now breaking all their tomatoes and all that for the poor women. It's not good. I wish this sickness is for the poor ones. They won't respond. But because of they themselves now, they are coming out to say we should stay at home. So government should please do something so that people will not be because with anger anything can come up. So government should please do something about it. We are all angry.
At their house yesterday, can't read this morning. I can't search my pocket front and back. Nothing remain. You hear me? Then I search myself. I don't have any virus in me. But now food I won't eat now, I have the problem with the ground. So they get me. So what they want to try put us now high BP. Because if they have 2 days, there's nothing want eat. Waiting to go follow now high BP. When your pikin cry for you 2 times, no food, high BP go join. And we'll come when high BP home in now fall sick, they can't say na coronavirus na home. There's nothing like coronavirus. To my own personal belief.
They don't think pot of food. They don't think pot of food. Because the country don't have for only 2 days now. What if 1 week don't reach? Talk less of 2 weeks. That means some people go die now. Not the only hunger. Nigeria let them try. May they do something. No light, no light. They say light go there, no light.
It's increasing now. Like this morning now, we rushed one of my brothers down to the general hospital for some. He has a stomach bite and all that. When we are going, they were robbing on the road. Why is the cause of the robbing? He's hungry. You understand? So government should please and do something on time. Just only 2 days. Sure, it's only 1 day, sir, not 2 days. Before we up to 1 week, anything can happen.
I never do, but they give me the water. I never do because of the vest. They not even give me any money. Make I tell they eat. Hungry, they beat me now and I call the wash. They let me not wash. Because federal government not give me money when I go take shop. Hungry, even they beat me. They give me water so I not go wash. The hungry where they beat me so even pass the sickness. So what I call wash for?
People are doing it. It's a kind of an exercise to every person. They are doing it. But when you are doing that, you wash your hand without seeing something to eat. Will you stay? You cannot stay without food. So they should provide food for the people. If you have the money, you cannot see food to buy. No ATM, no bank. People are suffering. In my compound today, 2 people faint. Is it because of the coronavirus? We don't have it in Nigeria, we believe so. Nigeria is blessed, and that's all I know.
You see, I gave my wife 5,000 naira. He said, with 5,000 it's not enough
Why must see people they show the 2 weeks? This is it. We are assuming it's not. I must almost quarrel, fight with my wife. But I use and say anything that we see, we manage it. But I will not remain house with 2 people. I must go out. Anything we see, I will manage it. Then my coming back to Warri, from Orope to Warri, the police hold me. Then I told the police, say, see what is happening. Police want to arrest me. What is the order? And they collected money from my hand, 1,000 naira.
The same person went up past 25 years, 35 years, made the plan. Now this problem of this degrad, as people go take feed. Then the same people get it, they throw away. People they fight up and down. This one might be the solution. Make the garden now, no, you garden sit there, but not the sea maker. What of other things? Provision, everything they there. The way they pay me past the employment, make the play workers so not be this was a disease degrad. People went up past 5 years. They said they're not going to play there. What the government want to? Our person don't reach 70 years. We don't reach 65 years. You see the rule. Person don't rule 12 years, 16 years. They see the rule they go.
This issue of coronavirus pandemic is not easy for us at all because most of us here now we are daily workers. So I'm pleading to the government, please, they should take a look at the 2 week suspension. They should make it 1 week or maybe like 1 week or some days. It's too much. But the problem we are having now is hungry. Government should look into this system because of people when hungry they worse past the one when coronavirus. You understand? Yes, they should help us. Then settle, especially the youths. If you look well now, see police, they are harassing. Instead to work, they are looking for one way to another to make money.